If I'm going to drink my calories, again, aside from coffee, it's going to be a smoothie. And that's not going to be in addition to a sandwich or, something else. That the smoothie will be my meal. I have smoothies a lot for lunch, actually. And I can throw tons of spinach and chia seeds and flaxseed. I normally do like almond milk, coconut milk combo for the liquid and just frozen fruit. Sometimes I will do probably the most caloric thing I put in there is I'll throw some peanut butter or almond butter in them sometimes, but they're filling. So, but that would be the meal. Yeah.
One of my tips is, as much as I can, I try not to drink my calories. So I don't really do orange juice. I don't do milk. I don't do iced tea. And I feel like I could save a lot of calories throughout the day by just doing that. So as long as I drink water instead of all those other options, I feel like you can really cut back calories.